What? Wow! Open it up! Go open the window up so I can get out!
I'm not moving.
Why you do it?
What? You're... Ah! Go ahead and open the window up!
Yo, Trees, you do it.
Please open the window up! Look at that bird up out of there!
Yo, Trees.
Oh my God!
I'm not getting near that bird.
All you gotta do is run and open the window!
It's going to poke me. It's Sean closer.
Okay, take a towel or something, throw it over the bird!
I don't got nothing. I only got my cover. I ain't let that bird touch my cover.
Yo, Trees, you do it. Yo, like, nigga, you older than me,
I
man.
don't give a fuck, nigga. What the fuck that's supposed to be, nigga? It's a bird, nigga. If it was a human, you gotta knock the nigga out.
I can't believe y'all are gonna sit there. Where are y'all at?
Under the covers.
Under the covers!
It's hot in here.
Yo! Is he still there?
Yes, it's still there.
Oh my God. Oh, if I could get... I'm not coming up there because I'm not... Is that him?
Mommy, please open the door.
I'm right here. What are you talking about?
Please,
I'm right here.
please, Trees. You tough, my nigga.
Oh shit! Right when I move, my nigga, that shit got up.
Boy,
No, fuck no. Fuck do it.
Oh my God! He's over here. Where you at? He's trying to get out.
I was about to do it. Then I see it.
DT, come on, help your brothers.
She like animal movies.
She said, hell no.
She like animal movies.
She said, hell.
Oh, shit, right there, Trees.
Okay, go run and open the window.
Yo, Trees.
You supposed to go,
Nah,
right?
you go.
They saw window over here.
Nah,
Open
nah,
the
Trees.
fucking window.
Nah, Trees, you go.
Got it. Yo, man, the fuck up, Red.
Woo! Is he still there?
Man, Red. Man, the fuck up.
I'm about to sit on it.
Oh shit. Is he? Ah! Ah! It's down there! Open up that window now! Hey, open up! Did you get him?
On your bed. No, it's on your bed. Red, you're on my nigga.
Oh, get him!
Bobby, you do it.
No, he came down here. Y'all had all that time to get him. He was downstairs.
Alright, let him come downstairs again.
He was downstairs. Y'all had all that time.
Yeah, Trees. You by the TV.
No, he's by the window.
Right by the window.
Now he's over there where y'all at. He's by the window again.
Fucking shit up, Trees.
He's really trying to get out.
I know, that's why you need to go downstairs real quick.
He was downstairs and y'all sitting there talking about, man, the fuck up. And he was down here.
Oh, he's right there, Trees. Oh, shit. On TV, Trees.
Okay, go open up the windows and run downstairs.
How you do it? Yeah, my
Run downstairs. Run downstairs. Open up the window and run downstairs. 'Cause I'm not falling down them stairs.
do it. Tell AT to do it.
Nope, he's by the window now. Hey, look, look, look. He's on top of the thing. Go open up the back door, so maybe he'll fly out through the other way. DT said, hell no. Look, he look. Oh, damn.
Tell DT to do it, Mom. Come on.
DT, come here. Cause you the littlest. Come on. What? You don't have to touch the bird. All you gotta do is open up the window. Okay, wait. Come here, DT. I'll tell you when to go. Get one of those towels, DT. Then you can throw the towel on the bird. This way you go. Oh. One of the towels inside the bathroom. The white one of the white towels. Okay, look, y'all got your check. Oh, no. Woo. He's more afraid than y'all.
No, you're not.
Look. Shit. Where he at?
No.
He might be downstairs. Go open up the window. Open up the window. Here you go, because I can hear him now. Did you open it up?
Hey, you had it.
Give me the hero.
Where is he? That's not funny. There he go, right there. Did he go out?
No.
You didn't open up the window? Oh, he was downstairs all that. He's right by. Oh, he's right there.
One more time. He gonna go downstairs. I got you.
He's right there. So all you gotta do is throw the towel on him. Just throw the towel on him.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Come on. I gotta pee. Don't do that. Where's he at?
Nah, he was flying down.
Come on.
He flew over there now.
Okay, well then go run.
JT.
Run, open up the window. Stop playing. You playing too much. You are so.
Oh, shit.
Come on, you're playing too much. Come on. Come on now.
Hell no.
Is he there? Stop playing. Stop playing. Is he there or not? If he's not there, then come on. Move out the way. Then move then. So, huh? He's about to close. Then go. Go. All you gotta do is go open up the window and run back down the stairs. You're not gonna get over. He's too scared. He wanna get out. So go open up the window. Hurry up.
You go, baby.
I'll be right here. Oh.
Hey, DT, guys, what's up?
Hurry up.
God, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, DT.
I don't see him.
See, you could have ran up there. Now he's about. This is what we gotta go through living here with a bird. Where you at?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
You be on TV.
Okay, so go run and open up the window and run downstairs.
Out. Like, DT, go.
DT's not here. She bumped out.
Yo, Greg, you got it, Greg.
She bumped out. DT, come on.
Greg is closer to the...
Come on, DT.
Greg is acting like a bitch.
Both of y'all acting like... Come on, DT.
Greg is closer.
DT. You're the one who wants to be a veterinarian. Now! I'm gonna beat you.
I would feel more secure if I had something to hit this shit.
Here, we got a towel.
What the towel gonna do?
You can cover it.
And I gotta jump up out of my bed to get the towel first.
JT got the towel. She's coming now.
No, I'm not.
Look, go open up the window. He's already
Why
here.
can't they open the
Because
window?
they're near the bird.
I don't care.
JT, just go open up the window.
You got 5 seconds to do it. You can do it.
Come on, you got time.
You stuck. Go ahead.
He's stuck. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just open up the window. Hurry up and run down.
Move, nigga.
Yeah, I got all y'all. They son of it. My 2 grown ass sons bumped out. Y'all are, all of y'all, both of y'all grown. Yo. So how's it feel? How's it feel?
Yo, son, do you see that thing, son?
Yo, where he at?
I gotta see the
Where he's at?
beak of that bird. Oh,
I saw it.
God.
I got it on the camera. What's wrong with you?
God. Yo, son.
Dartrice, what you doing? What? You in the toilet, boy?
No.
Oh.
Oh, shit on my phone.
Oh my God.
Some of this shit flew up under the...
Yo.
My 2 grown ass sons afraid of a bird. Talk about man up, acting like a bitch. Ha! I got y'all.